With more and more new Roblox scripters, it's becoming more common to see poorly scripted games with spaghetti code. Now, I would say there isn't a problem as long as it works, except for the fact that Lua is very terrible at memory and even performance. We'll see more games that are very laggy in older or even current devices. It's going to slowly become a problem as unexperienced Roblox scripters grasp their hands on scripting and leaving out the necessary extra steps to becoming a better scripter. So today, we're diving into an essential aspect of Roblox scripting, module scripts. If you're looking to organize your code better and make your game more optimized without much time to spare, then this video is specifically for you. Let's get started. Module scripts are a powerful feature in Roblox Studio that allow you to create reusable pieces of code. They help you keep your scripts clean and organized by encapsulating functionality in separate modular files. First, let's create a module script. In Roblox Studio, go to the Explorer panel, right-click on any object where you want to add the module script in and select Insert Object, then Module Script. By default, a module script contains a table named Module and a return statement. This is because module scripts need to return something that can be accessed by other scripts. Let's write some code. Imagine we want to create a simple module that handles basic math operations. Here, we've defined two functions, add and subtract. These functions are part of the module table that will be returned at the end of the script. Now let's see how we can use this module in another script. Create a new script where you want to use the module. Then to use the module script, we need to require it. In this script, we use the require function. To load the module script, we can then call the functions add and subtract defined in the module previously and print the results. Let's run the game and see what happens. No surprise there, it works exactly like it should. Module scripts are excellent for organizing your code, especially as your game grows in complexity. You can create modules for different functionalities like player management, inventory systems, and more. For example, you can create a player module to handle player-specific data and functions. And then use it in another script like this. By using module scripts, you can keep your codebase organized and manageable, making it easier to debug and extend. Plus, it promotes code reusability, which is a key aspect of efficient programming. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this introduction to module scripts in Roblox Studio helpful. If you did, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and join the Discord for more Roblox development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy developing!